Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a tutorial using the Celestial Thunder palette. Like I mentioned in my Tuesday's What's in My BoxyCharm video, I said I wanted to use these really bright colors. The ones I did not use was this one, this one, this one, and this one. And so I really want to use these again to see how these work because they're so pretty so far. I'm loving this palette. So let's jump in and get started. I want to take this really pretty like magenta fuchsia kind of shade called Lucid Dream on a blending brush. This is just my smudge brush, and I'm going to put that in the crease. And because of how pigmented I saw this was in my Tuesday video, I'm going in a little lighter handed. So I think I want to keep this just in a dome shape above my eye instead of winging it out here. And with my other Bogacious brush, this is just an eyeshadow brush, it's just a flat packing brush, we're going to go into this shade Black Matter, and I'm going to put this on the lid. That is super pretty. So this is going to be a bit of a smoky eye, if you will. And I think what I want to do is take the color a little bit up, just into the crease, but also slightly above. And with this little Vasanti contour eyeshadow small blending brush, I'm going to just blend that deep color into the pink. This is going to be a super deep look, by the way. Perfect for winter. It's not winter yet, but it'll be perfect for that. So the next color I'm going to go into is this Zero Gravity shade. It's like a slate gray. I'm going to use it on that same eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to pack that under the eye. And now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade Mystic Ice, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this. I don't want it to really be blue, but I'm just taking a little bit of this and I'm rimming it on that gray and underneath a little bit and smoking that out. So I've just rimmed my tightline and waterline with the Sugar Cosmetics Intense Kajal Blackout pencil, one of my top two favorite black eyeliners. And what I'm going to do is take this first shade, Eternal Light, on that flat packing brush, and I'm going to put that in about the first third of the eye and also the inner corner. This shade particularly does have some fallout, so if you don't want to get it on your face, just use a tissue like I show you guys to do and hold it there so you don't get it all over your face. Okay, so to finish this look off, I did my mascara, which was the Tarte Big Ego mascara. I used the Nomad highlighter in Balmoral Beach, which I put in my highlighter favorite videos, or my highlighter videos, and I said it was one of my favorites. I'll link that up there if you want to see it. But this is the finished look. Oh, I also did a nude lip, which was just the Rimmel, what's it called? The Rimmel nude lipstick. It's called Kate. It's like in a red tube, just called Kate, and a Smashbox nude gloss over top of that. But this is the finished look, and it's a little bit smoky and colorful at the same time. And I like how it turned out. So I really love these shadows. I think they're excellent quality. They don't really have kick up like I mentioned in the palette before and a lot of fallout. The shimmer shade, the first shimmer shade that I showed you guys, Eternal Light, does have just a little bit of fallout, but I expect that with shimmer shades like this, foil shades. So it's not that big of a deal. But that is the finished look, and I hope you guys like it. And make sure you subscribe if you have not. I post every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!